Good morning, guys. It's day 7 for Vlogmas, and it's a very great day today because my baby is back. And the white cast is sunscreen. Okay, I already did my face routine this morning. And Melissa is feeding her cat because the cat is screaming at her.
He was.
You look skinny, babe.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, it's so yellowish. Well, reddish, kind of. But
Seems like you were Come on,
say hi to the vlog, kids.
Hi.
Are you happy to be home?
Yes.
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 I'm happy you're home.
I am so happy to just see you not having corona. I can hug you. Whoa, what the? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Are you excited about the fake snow we got you?
Yeah.
And all the
It said
other
you
stuff?
can put it on Christmas trees.
Really?
To make it look like it has snow in it.
So, but now it's for sure
You can turn
coffee
it on,
time. Okay guys, so I need to probably go put on some actual clothes, some real clothes. The oven's done heating up now. I need to go put on some real clothes and probably help Skyler with some homework. So the next little clip that you're gonna see is probably me helping Skyler with getting some of his homework done because he didn't get it all done when he was with his auntie. And tell the main idea of the story. Stop staring at the thing. Do your work. You guys, I don't know how people who have like 2 kids even like do schoolwork at home learning, like remote learning, because I'm not normally doing this. Melissa is normally doing this. Normally I'm at work already, but she like does both of them, and she makes Skyler a priority because, you know, my sister can get off work and do my niece's work with her. But I don't know how like 2 kids that are like one parent is responsible, you know, like a single parent household, because these, focus on your work, because these 2 kids have 3 adults to help them with their schoolwork, but like,
And they help themselves too.
and you know, they help themselves, right? And like he said, come on, man, do your thing, please. But like keeping just one of them on task is like really hard. So, because she's over there like doing the most and humming and stuff like that. And then like he's over here staring at the camera. So I'm actually gonna cut this off because he's, look at him, he's over here staring at the camera. And like when I'm talking to you guys, she's like, what y'all talking about? So we're gonna finish our schoolwork undistracted, hopefully, for the rest of the
I gotta go pee.
Oh my god. So guys, guess what we bought at Walmart today? We found this KFC log. So we're gonna try the KFC log in our fireplace. So Melissa's gonna set us up a fire. Okay guys, so me and Melissa asked Skyler, we were like, hey, what do you want to have for dinner today? Because we're just like so excited that he's home. And then he said Texas Roadhouse. And to minimize further exposure here, we decided to make Texas Roadhouse at home. We're even going to make the rolls from scratch. So it's like 3:30 in the afternoon. We probably should have started this a little bit sooner, but I'm already made steak. So if you have not seen the video in which I made steak, I'll link it right here. But now we're going to show you how we're going to make the rolls. And right now I think I'm gonna call it a night, guys, because it's late. I want to eat my food and then I have to edit and stuff. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.